group number 2, and he gives us here two compounds. Both of them, they have one element from group number 2, and he also detected the pH for these two compounds. And he is asking about these two elements. From the pH, we can understand there is a compound. It has pH, if dissolved in water, 13.6, which it means this is very basic compound. Very basic compound. And the other one, it has 9.4. It means it's moderately basic. As we know here, if we are talking about basicity, so here he gives us an option sulfate and hydroxide. So which is more closer from basicity is the hydroxide. Why not sulfate? Because sulfate gives me an acid, and we'll talk about it right now. But in hydroxides, we know the trend of hydroxide increase in solubility and basicity from up to down. So the most upper element in group number 2, it has the less basic, and the most lower one, okay, it has a higher basic value. As we have here two elements, magnesium and barium. Okay, so from this trend we can understand barium, it can dissolve more faster and it has more basicity. So which one it has more basicity here? V, it has more basicity. So which one V it has barium is number or the option C. Okay, so barium is more basic than magnesium and more soluble than magnesium, so the correct answer is C. Why not sulfate? Sulfate, we have here two compounds, barium sulfate and magnesium sulfate. Barium sulfate, as it's insoluble in water, so if we dissolve barium sulfate in water, it will not dissolve, so it will not affect completely in the solution pH. Okay, magnesium sulfate is completely soluble in water, but if it dissolved in water, it will give me something like H2SO4. This is acidic compound, not basic compound, so we are not talking about sulfate anymore. What we are talking about? We are talking about hydroxide. The last one, it's opposite for the correct trend. The trend is barium. It should be more than magnesium in acidity, and barium here is 13.6, and the magnesium is 9.4 in acidity. The correct answer is barium more than magnesium, and the correct answer is C.